Hi guys, it's Yuno here, and today I'm gonna show you how to rake open uh, a Dimple lock cylinder like this one or similar to this. What I had fabricated is first I had fabricated this um, pick tool, which is I thought it can open uh, uh, by picking pin by pin, but I was not able to good a success on it. So then I had modified or make another one, which is this kind of tools which I use for raking. Well, it is a single wave pick tool. I will show you later when how to make a single wave on the tip of your pick tool. Well, this material uh, came from the clip for bits is tape, the one which secure the tape in place. This is the stainless steel plate, and I had already rake it on this on one side, so I'll show you how to rake it on the other, and also I will show you how to safely remove this core by uh, when you had rake it open. Okay, so what I said, this is not very successful on the way I had tried, so I had done this pick tool, and okay, so this is the it needs a very light tension on the on this kind. This is this is the kind of dimple locks, and it needs a very light tension on the tension wrench, and a light raking also. This is 5 pins, all bottom pins are serrated. Okay, it's already been picked, and now the technique on removing this safely, because as you see here, there is slots here, so when you had to remove that cord there for rekeying or whatever, you have to turn it, which the open keyway corresponding to the top pins, because when you just remove it like an ordinary core cylinder, the top pins will be locked on this side here, and you will have a big trouble in removing this core. So uh, it goes like this. This has already been okay. I had reset it again, right? So let's pick it again. Okay, now it is reset now. I mean it is pick again. So what we're gonna do now is to, as I said, turn it and let the open keyway align with the top pin, and then that's the time you could simply remove that cord there. Okay, take out the this alright, now you can remove it. Okay, that's the time you can remove it safely like this, because as you see, you see that serrated pin, you see that slot there. If you align it on the top pin, it will lock it and you have a big trouble. So this is this top pins is uh, all doubly serrated. See that? The same, the same with the American padlock. Both side of the top pin are serrated. All right. So, and that's how it is rake with homebrew tools. And one also I had mentioned how to make this single wave here. So what you will do is you bend the wire, right, and put it on this side. Then you had to tape it so that it will be in place to the place where you want to have and you have to have a wave. All right, so then you have to make this on the other side and then tape it again. All right, so that's how it looks now. And after you had position it, so you have to try and beat it with a vice grip. The vice grip should be flat on the tip there. Okay, and then beat it on this side here. Okay, see that? And then squish it until you have a single wave. Okay, so this is how it is now, folks. So see, you have a wave there. That's how to create a wave. All right, see that? And this side I already done also. That's how to make a single wave or multiple wave by using the wire. Okay, so that's all, folks, for today, and thanks for watching.